Everyone, it's me, Megz, and I am back with another video. Remember a few weeks ago you went to the salon with me? And that vlog is in the description below. I updated you guys in that video that I was experiencing some high stress, severe iron deficiency. My diet was extremely poor for the past couple of months, and being busy, not being able to tend to my hair, and that resulted with me having a setback requiring me to get a major trim. Now I'm on the road to recovery and I'm 8 weeks post, so I'm going to show you guys how I've been tending to my hair during this recovery. I've been protective styling with plaits and twists for the past couple of weeks. I wanted to avoid any extreme manipulation to my hair since I am recovering. So let's get started into my wash day. I do have, again, some sections here with some braids that I've been moisturizing for the week. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Keeping my hair plaited up has been working really well for me because I don't want to pull my hair back and be in my hair too much right now since it is a bit fragile. So I've just been wearing wigs on top of these plaits. So first I'm going to start out with Olaplex number 0 and number 3 to remove the plaits because I wash my hair once a week and deep condition once a week as well. I am about 8 weeks post, so within the last week I tend to really just leave my hair alone. So I spray each section with the Olaplex number 0 and then remove the plaits gently with my fingers, and this has been working really well for me. It creates some amazing slip to detangle my hair since my hair has been in these like mini braids for about a week. So an update, you guys, the front of my hair is the most fragile right now, and this is not really new to me. This has happened to me a few times in the past, so I know what to do in order to fix this. So just really working in small sections, detangling and applying the number 3 on top and then twisting my hair up has been working really well, especially when it comes to using Olaplex to help strengthen and repair my hair, especially right now. So I'm going to continue doing this within each section, spraying number 0 first, detangling gently from the bottom up within each section, and then applying number 3 on top. And doing this is just super important for me, especially right now since I am about 8 weeks post relaxer. I also want to make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled before the washing process. So I just really been loving doing this, wearing my hair in plaits like this. I've been doing this for a couple weeks now just so I can give my hair the break that it needs because, you know, we're on the road to recovery and I'm doing max protective styles just to ensure everything is going as planned. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this product, twist it up, and move on to the rest of the sections. It's super important to detangle thoroughly, especially before you shampoo, especially when you have some new growth, so you won't experience any matting and tangling that could result in loss of hair. So I am all done now. The product is applied. I really love using Olaplex. It's been working pretty well for me within the past, and I know this will help me recover as well. So I let that sit with the plastic cap for about 10 minutes. And then I'm now in the shower. I'm just going to remove these twists so I can start to shampoo. And my hair feels really good. This combo always gives me a lot of slip, especially when I have some new growth going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and saturate my hair with water. It's feeling really good. I can feel that my hair has slipped, but it also feels strong at the same time. So time to shampoo. I'm going to use number 4. And this shampoo is really creamy. I really like this shampoo. So I'm just going to really focus on my scalp and then bring it down the strands of my hair to cleanse that as well. Being very gentle. Rinse out with water, and my hair and new growth is feeling amazing. Like, it just feels very soft, really manageable, lots of slip already even before I use the Olaplex number 5, which is the bond maintenance. Is this the name of this is in the description. So I'm just going to pour this into a bowl, apply some Jamaican black castor oil, which I always do, and I'm going to add some olive oil and avocado oil. This is 2 oils in 1, and some rosemary oil, about 8 drops. And then I'm just going to mix all that together. I've been adding oils to my conditioners for years in sections. It's just something that's always worked very well for me, and especially now that I'm in recovering mode, I don't see myself, stopping anytime soon. So since I do have quite a bit of new growth, I'm going to start out with applying it with my hands to the roots, just to make sure that that gets conditioned as I grow out my hair. And this just also makes my hair just very manageable too. So I'm just going to apply that in sections. Basically, I'm applying it as I would a relaxer. So taking small sections, because if you really think about it, if you just put it all on at one time, your hair isn't really getting, the product on every piece of hair. So that's what I like to do. This is totally optional. And some things work differently for other people, but this has worked well for me. So I'm just going to continue to apply this. And this conditioner, the number 5, it has a really nice consistency. So it does spread a little, does go a long way. But I tend to go a little bit heavy, especially at the root area, since that is where my new growth is. And I'm really going to make sure I pay close attention to the front of my hair because that's the most fragile for me right now. And also making sure I apply some at my nape. So basically just apply conditioner from root to end within sections. And then I'm going to cover with a plastic cap and use heat for about 30 minutes. Once I'm done with the heat for 30 minutes, I put on my head wrap just to keep that extra warmth within my hair if I don't rinse my hair out immediately. So I did rinse my hair out, and I am going to go ahead and air dry my hair with Olaplex number 6. My hair is wet. I look like a little puppy. So I like to use this number 6. It helps with getting a nice smooth air dry. So I just apply this to my hair when it's wet. Once my hair gets quite damp from air drying within about 20 minutes or so. Then I proceed to move on in sections to apply more leave-in because as you can see, that area didn't get any product on it. So I'm just going to split my hair up a bit, apply in sections, and detangle. I always detangle my hair when it is damp, never when it's completely soaking wet. Because that just doesn't really work well for me as far as the product being able to absorb into the hair and, me getting all that goodness from the ends to the roots. And I also want to take my time when it comes to detangling my hair, just to avoid any breakage, snagging, and pops and things like that. So really taking my time with this in sections, making sure I get all of that shedded hair. Moving on to the top. That's done, and it's feeling pretty good, My ends are looking pretty good still. I am due to see Micah again within about 2 weeks. So like I said, the front of my hair is the most fragile right now. So that's why I've been keeping my hair in plaits. So in order to do this, I'm going to moisturize and seal with ORS moisturizing hair lotion with my avocado and olive oil mix to seal in. So apply the moisturizer first and then seal. So as you can see, the front of my hair is a bit shorter than the rest. So that's what I'm actually working on to repair. So that's why I haven't been pulling my hair back much with buns and doing a lot of styling with my hair. I've just been leaving it all the way alone, making sure it stays moisturized. And I do my Jamaican black castor oil scalp massages as well. So this is going to take a minute for me to recover. Again, like I said, this has happened to me before in the past. So this is just something that tends to happen when I am a bit stressed out and my diet gets really poor and I didn't have time to tend to myself a couple months ago. So I am in a much better space with myself and health in order to recover my hair like I know I can. So thank you guys so much for being patient with me and understanding that, on hair journeys, things happen and life happens as well. So all you can do is pick up the pieces and keep moving. So as you can see, the front is a bit shorter than the back area. So I'm really taking my time to tend to this area to make sure this recovers how I want it to. So also, it's important when I do moisturize and seal my hair, I get, the sections really well. Because, sometimes you may split your hair in a section and you may have forgot all of that middle in there. That didn't get any product. So I make sure that I really get all the areas moisturized and sealed. And on average, after wash day, I won't moisturize my hair for about a day. So the longest that I go without moisturizing is every other day, especially now that I'm back to my regimen. and getting that really back strict and on par. And my diet is a lot better, y'all. I fixed my diet because I was so busy, y'all. I didn't have time to eat. So that's where my hair started to kind of like suffer as well, because my I wasn't getting the proper nutrients. And I lost some weight that I wasn't intentionally trying to lose. I don't know if y'all can tell. But girl, I'm getting things back together. I'm feeling good. My diet is back. I'm exercising again as well. So I'm really happy right now. So I'm just going to continue to moisturize and seal and plait my hair up in a nice loose braid. So I just do 4 plaits. Typically, I change my plaits and parting from week to week just to make sure that I'm not manipulating my hair in one direction over the other too much. So I always add a little bit more oil to the ends, and I'm going to tuck those ends under with a bobby pin. So I just kind of fold them over and tuck them behind the braids like that with a bobby pin, and it's very secure. I tend to wear my hair like this for the week, of course moisturizing and sealing during the week as well. But if I do need to go out, I'm not taking these braids out. I'm putting a wig on top or I'm wearing a nice hat or something like that. So I'm going to take some Jamaican black castor oil, put a little bit in my palm, and just rub that over my hair and edges, just for some razzle dazzle, and hit my nape back there. And as you can see, I am done. This is actually the style. This is it. This is how I've been maintaining my hair for the past couple of weeks in order to recover, because I know this is what my hair needs at the time. I'm not playing in my hair a lot. I'm not doing a lot of styling and manipulation because my hair just needs a little break. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply my scarf. My hair is pretty much dry now, so I typically detangle, moisturize, and seal my hair when it's a bit damp, and then once I'm done, it's pretty much 90% dry. Put my scarf on, and I'm ready for bed. I'm ready to sleep. And I'm feeling good. My scalp feels amazing. And if you guys do have any questions about what I'm doing to recover my hair during this time, I will have new videos coming up on that. And feel free to stick around to watch more of my hair care videos here on my YouTube channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later.